Is Block.One secretly working on a gaming platform? Hello guys, Rob here. Welcome back into the channel. I recently came across an article for this site, win.com, and there is something interesting on the site that points to maybe Block.One being behind this. So if you scroll down to the bottom and come to their terms of use, win.com/terms, what do you see? The voice website is operated by Block.One and its affiliates. Please read these terms of use carefully. So when you click on win.com's terms, you are currently getting what appears to be the voice.com terms of use, which, as we all know, voice.com is operated by Block.One. So this is very interesting and quite possibly could tie Block.One to win.com. Now if we come back to win.com, it's revolutionizing gaming through blockchain and introducing purposeful gaming to the world's ecosystem backed by blockchain technology. Connect with millions of gamers worldwide and buy, sell, and trade your in-game achievements across multiple platforms and games. What strikes me is, first, the fact that voice.com went for the pretty penny of somewhere around $30 million. So I'm assuming win.com went for tens of millions of dollars as well. So right off the bat, you have to assume that whoever is win.com has plenty of money in the bank in order to be able to afford buying this domain. And if you got the money in the bank to spend tens of millions of dollars on a domain, would you really just copy and paste someone else's terms of use in? Or is this really Block.One? So the one thing that throws me for a loop is on the homepage here, your Win wallet is linked to your ETH wallet. Linked to your ETH wallet, which would not really make sense if this was a Block.One product. Though it does say at the top, it talks about multiple platforms. So maybe it's Ethereum, EOS, Tron, all the dApp platforms out there. But if this was something from Block.One, I think they would have put EOS here instead of ETH. So I'm not quite sure what to make of this. Win.com had to go for a pretty penny. If voice.com went for tens of millions of dollars, it's just logical to assume win.com went for somewhere around what voice went for, if not more. And if you got the money to shell out for a domain like win.com, would you really spend nothing and just copy and paste in the terms of use from another website? So really interesting. I'll be keeping my eye on this, and especially this terms page, to see if some new terms pop up or not. But as of right now, win.com's terms of use is the voice terms of use. So maybe a blockchain gaming platform coming from Block.One in the future? I'm interested to hear what you guys think, and if you have any information on this, let me know down in the comments below. Because right now, I'm pretty much just puzzled on this. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks to the Telos community for their support via the worker proposal system. The Telos Economic Development Plan has passed. After an attack in the 11th hour, the code has been fixed and the Telos Economic Development Plan has been voted through. So I'll be making a video on what happened with the attack, and then once the TEDP code is pushed live, I'll be doing videos on that as well, showing how to take part in the Rex and get those big Rex returns. But that's going to do it for me for this one. If you want to learn more about Telos and get your free Telos account, check out the link in the description. I will see you guys in the next one.